Go.
Hello, my name is Christoph from Goodbag. We make it fun and rewarding to protect the environment. Climate change and plastic pollution are global challenges. Every year, over 1 trillion plastic bags are used for an average of only 20 minutes. I'm a behavioral economist, and I started Goodbag because I felt that these problems are so big and that my single individual actions actually can't make a difference. Imagine a world where your actions can make a difference, and you can actually see the impact you create and solve these problems every time you go shopping. With Goodbag, you can do exactly that. Goodbag is a smart, reusable shopping bag that enables you to plan 3 seconds climate change, clean plastic waste out of the ocean, or receive exclusive discounts every time you go shopping and you bring your bag. How does it work? Every Goodbag has a small NFC chip integrated in the Goodbag logo that connects through NFC and the Goodbag app with your phone. When you go shopping, you just need to bring your Goodbag. You open up the Goodbag app. Now you choose between a discount or supporting a project, for example, collecting plastic waste off the ocean, and you can activate the coupon directly in the store by contactlessly scanning your phone with your bag with your phone. It's simple as that, and you already collect the plastic waste out of the ocean. For the user, we create a gamified experience that makes it fun, rewarding, and addictive to protect the environment and shows them their positive impact on the environment in real time. For retailers, we provide a brand new way to interact with the customers. We offer them a customer experience as a service where they interactively can protect the environment together with their customers in order to communicate corporate social responsibility in a truly interactive way, increase customer loyalty, and win especially young customers who care a lot about the environment. Our solution can be easily individualized and tailored to our customers' needs within minutes. They can choose their own local projects and rewards, and of course our technology can be integrated in any kind of reusable shopping bag. How big is our market? The market for smart retail tech will grow to almost $60 billion in size by 2025. One of the key drivers for this growth is the need for a better customer experience at the retail stores. On top of that, sustainability is a mega trend, and consumers are asking for better sustainable solutions, and retailers need to act accordingly. With Goodbag, we offer retailers an interactive customer experience as a service where they can really protect the environment together with their customer, which is super powerful in communicating these issues and sustainability. This already convinced large customers like Swiss retailer Vienna, which is part of the Migros group, or Europe's biggest airport, London Heathrow, which has over 80 million yearly passengers, to become our clients. To date, we sold over 120,000 Goodbags in 6 countries and signed over 1,000 stores. Before we even launched the revenue, we generated most of this year's revenue of 300,000 euros and are currently in negotiations with some of the world's largest retailers. This is only possible because of our world-class team of designers, developers, and behavioral economists who all are determined on our mission to plant 1 billion trees and collect 1 million megatons of plastic waste out of the ocean. Our team is supported by an advisory board of investors who all served boards in billion-dollar companies, and one of them was also the former Prime Minister of Austria. They invested in us because they believe and they know that we are doing this from the heart for the impact. But they also invest in us because there's a lot of money involved. And we have a really simple business model that's very scalable. We charge companies an initial setup fee and a yearly maintenance fee for using our services and software. On top of that, we directly sell them our bags or just the NFC chips that can go into any kind of reusable shopping bag. In the future, we'll monetize our user base through advertisement, thinking retargeting when customers shop in other stores, or adding new products and services to our platform, like, for example, a reusable coffee mug. With Goodbag, we are creating the #1 go-to platform for consumers for sustainability. Think about Facebook, but just instead of taking the perfect Insta shot or posting a meme, people actually do something good. Why are we doing it? Because it's needed that there's a platform like that. We're already profitable, but we are now seeking investment for our growth. We're seeking 500,000 euros to fully scalable develop our solution. add over 50,000 stores in 38 countries, and add 150,000 users to our system, and break through 1 million euros in revenue. If you're an investor, or if you have contacts to retail or FMCG consumer brands, please come talk to me. And I'm very interested in making any connections that help us building this platform. Thank you, and I would like to think outside the bag with you and invite us to join us on a mission to make the world better together. Thanks.
Right. Vanessa already with a question.
Hi, thank you. That's a brilliant presentation. Could you talk to us a little bit more about the 50,000 stores and the 150,000 users, how you're going to build those markets and how you're attracting
I love that
them
question.
to your product?
So actually, when building this platform, we were facing a hen and egg problem. To have the best possible user experience, we need to have as many stores. You need to be able to use your goodbag worldwide in all the stores. But we need to onboard these stores to become our clients, we found out. So we were able to win large retailers, and we're continuously winning large retailers by step. This is kind of like a bottleneck for us. So we came up with a solution this summer by adding like a new category, which is a non-partner category, where we fetch all the data from Google Places and integrate them in the system. So we will have like even more than 50,000 stores. This is just an estimation where we start. We'll add all the retailers. Where are you from, for example?
London.
London. We have already stores in the UK, but only like our partners. But soon we have all the big retailers in it, even if they are not our partners. But we hope that they soon will become our partners because there's a lot of more value. I cannot talk about that now on the stage, but we can talk about that later. So this is how we're going to do it. And the users will grow through the retailers. Our first Swiss retailer is doing lots of campaigns. They push in their marketing going out. So they really have an incentive to push our solution to get the users inside. So they help us building the platform. Of course, we will start B2C marketing. Once you have global network of stores, 50,000, 100,000, we will see how many we add step by step.
Okay.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Any other? There we go. Yes, please. Thank you.
Me again, sorry.
No, you're very welcome. Keep chipping in.
Ada Matei from Digital Startup Academy. So first of all, congrats for the very simple product, but in the same time very impactful. My question is linked to the type of investors profile that you are looking for. Ideally, what kind of perfect fit investor would you look like for?
Well, ideally, I mean, what for us is more like we're looking for people, in first of all, who really believe in the solution and in the impact, but of course also in the profit. Second of all, if there's a connection to retail, this is perfect, like we're looking for smart money. Ideally, for the next round of 500,000, it would be great if it's just like one fund or one investor, but if it's like 2 or 3 individuals that really bring also value on the table besides the money, that would be perfect. But for us, I think in the next round, we were more looking also like in the the fit as a person to us as a company, and then in the next round, the 1.5 million, I mean, then it's more like about really money and scaling up, so we will not have so much of choice regarding like the personal screening of the process. But if you know any investors, please talk to me after.
There's loads of investors here. You're going to talk to them later on. Is there one more question? Yes, Simon. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, wonderful presentation. Just quickly, could you just a little bit more detail on what people would get out of the app and the discounts and how you actually go and source those types of opportunities? So
first of all, like you can basically every time you bring your bag, you can get a discount. Plant a tree or collect plastic waste, that's the kind of rewards. The rewards differ from retailers. Some only offer collecting plastic waste, like for example, a Swiss retailer that will launch on the 10th of March. But on top of that, and that's what's even more exciting for me because I'm a behavioral economist, you get gamification out of it. It's addictive. You're basically collecting different achievements. So in the app, we have a really cool section where you can do different things. Scan your goodbag on a Friday, scan your goodbag in 5 countries, and so on. So this is what really should make it even more addictive, because in the end, that's what we're for. We want to incentivize people and make it addictive to protect the environment, starting with the bag, but then also other reusable products, and then also like we're thinking about the platform itself. There's so many possibilities, energy consumption, transportation, but right now we're good with that, what we're doing.